If you want to update a purchase order using Zoho CRM in n8n, this quick tutorial will show you the exact steps to get it done inside your workflow. This is a simple but powerful automation if you need to keep purchase order records accurate, updated, and synced without doing everything manually. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more n8n tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. Make sure you are in the correct automation because everything you configure next will apply inside this workflow. Once your canvas is open, go to the Nodes panel on the side. Here, search for Zoho CRM and select it from the available integrations. After that, choose the action called Update a Purchase Order. This is the node that lets you modify an existing purchase order record in Zoho CRM. Next, you need to configure what you want to update. This is where you map the fields and choose the purchase order details you want to change. Make sure you select the correct purchase order record, then assign the updated values for the fields you want to modify. Depending on your workflow, this could be anything from order details to status information or other purchase order data. Take a moment to double check your configuration so the right record gets updated with the right information. Once everything looks good, save the node and run your workflow to test it. If the data is set correctly, Zoho CRM will update the purchase order automatically through n8n, and that's it. You've now updated a purchase order using Zoho CRM in n8n. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more simple automation guides like this.